everybody, welcome to my mom's channel. My name is Melissa and I'm Natalie's oldest daughter. This is one of my favorite dishes that she makes, so I've asked her to make it for me today and I can help her record it. I'm going to do the voiceover because I think it's very fun. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need to achieve this special vegetable and potato creamy dish by my mother. So you're going to need 4 chopped potatoes, 600 milligrams, 2 Maggi cubes, half grated onions, 1 teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of chicken, and this in the corner is coconut oil, and she's going to use it to semi-cook it. We're going to begin by boiling these chopped potatoes for approximately 20 minutes, depending on the type of potatoes that you have. I'm going to add some salt to it, and I will do that right now myself. On the other side, my mom is just here, just frying the chicken in the coconut oil, as you can see.
So now I added the cream and the onions inside the pan and the vegetables. Now I'm adding Maggi, then I'll mix all together and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes before you add the chicken. Now I'm mixing the cream and the vegetable, Maggi and onion. I'm mixing it so that it will not burn under. If you don't have non-stick pan, it will burn. That's why I'm mixing it. Now I'm adding a chicken breast, the one I saute in the coconut oil, and I'll mix that one for 1 minute, and I'll add a potato, boiled potato, and you taste it. If the salt is enough for you, fine. If it's not, you can add for your taste. Now I'm just mixing it so that everything will be combined. It looks nice. This creamy potato veg is very good and little bit heavy. So sometimes you can I have it with chicken. You can have it with rice, bread, and that's what I normally have it with. So now I'm adding a little bit salt to it. I tasted it, the salt wasn't enough, so I added some salt. You just mix it for 2 minutes and that's it. When you leave it too long, it will be dry. That's not good. Okay.